What's the meaning of Arbor Day? Arbor Day. Arbor Day.
Arbor Day. Arbor Day. Arbor Day is an annual holiday that celebrates the importance of trees. It was first observed in 1872 in Nebraska, USA, and has since been recognized in countries all over the world. The purpose of Arbor Day is to promote tree planting and care, and to raise awareness about the environmental and economic benefits trees provide. Planting trees can help reduce air pollution, prevent soil erosion, and support wildlife habitats. Celebrating Arbor Day encourages individuals and communities to take action in preserving and appreciating Earth's natural resources.